They say love fades, but the truth is respect fades first. Most men don't lose their woman because of a lack of money or looks. They lose her because she stops admiring him, not because he cheated, but because he stopped leading. And here's the brutal truth. A woman never truly leaves a man she still deeply respects. So if you're tired of uncertainty, silent distance, or feeling like you're just good enough, this is the wake-up call you didn't know you needed. Let's uncover 5 psychological traits, rooted in Stoic philosophy, that make a woman never even think of leaving you. 1. Unshakable emotional control. When life hits hard, most men crumble, complain, or explode. But the Stoic man, he stands still, calm, present, and powerful. You become her emotional anchor, not just a lover, but her safe space in chaos. And guess what? Women don't leave the man who makes them feel safe. Let's move deeper. Because presence alone isn't enough if your mission is missing. 2. Purpose bigger than the relationship. A man without direction is a man she will try to fix until she gets exhausted. But when she sees you walking a path, one that does revolve around her, she feels something rare, admiration. She knows you're not chasing her. You're chasing greatness and inviting her to come along. That's when you stop being replaceable and start becoming unforgettable. But purpose without discipline, it collapses. That's where the next trait comes in. 3. Discipline, self-respect. You can't expect her to respect you if you constantly disrespect yourself. Whether it's your health, your habits, or your time, she watches it all. The Stoic man lives by a code, not because someone's watching, but because he is. That's what silently communicates. I don't need you to love me. I choose you because I love myself first. When your standards are clear, something else unlocks in her psychology, her trust. For consistent masculine integrity, no woman stays loyal to a man whose words mean nothing. But when your actions match your promises, you become her rarest kind of man, the dependable one. And the truth is, it's not about being perfect. It's about being predictably strong when it counts. Your consistency tells her, no matter how life changes, I won't disappear. But even all of this falls short if you miss the final piece. 5. Mastery of silence and presence. The most attractive man in the room isn't always the loudest. He's the one who knows how to listen, to hold silence like a weapon, to look into her eyes and make her feel completely seen. Presence is power. And women are starving for men who don't just speak, but see. When she feels your undivided attention, she gives something most men never earn: loyalty without limits. The kind of man she'll never leave. Here's the truth most men refuse to accept. You don't need to beg. You don't need to impress her with gifts. You don't even need to win her over every day. What you truly need is to become the kind of man she can never imagine replacing. Not because you're flashy, but because your presence brings her peace. Because your silence carries strength. Because your life has direction, with or without her. A man like that isn't loved just for now. He's respected for life. And in that respect, she finds her deepest form of love. Speak to the soul. If this message hits home, don't just watch and move on. Reflect, adapt, become. Start living these principles today, not tomorrow. And if you're on the path of becoming a Stoic man of strength, comment below, I choose strength over neediness. We read every word. Hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Because this channel is your daily reminder of the man you were born to be. And if you know a brother who needs to hear this, share this video with him. It might be the one thing that saves his relationship or his self-respect. Until next time, live with strength, love with purpose, and walk like the man no woman dares to leave.